below me and to my right, I hear my brother practicing volleyball. Between each bounce is about a 1 second rest. It's a loud sound. And as I walk away from it, it gets softer. To my right is the sound of my dad eating ice cream. The spoon hitting the bowl is a high-pitched noise, kind of like screeching. Above me is another fan, and it sounds a lot like the air conditioning system in that it's a whirring noise. I hear the shuffling of me putting my shoes on and the loud clicking noises in front of me of the door unlocking and sliding open with a high-pitched screeching sound.